How to use Non-QM AUS. The Non-QM AUS becomes available after the 1003 is completed and a product is selected, and finally, an interest rate is applied. After the 1003 product and pricing is completed, we can move on to the interface. The Non-QM AUS option is now available. Enter the credit report reference number, then select the credit provider. Lastly, input your reissue credentials. Almost there. If you would like to save your credentials, select Save Credentials for future use here. After all the required information has been entered, the Run Non-QM AUS and Credit Reissue button will become available. Click to proceed to the next step. Go ahead and click the document icon next to the reference number to view the most recently reissued report. This section provides a high-level summary of the Non-QM AUS results, including the decision, key loan metrics, and estimated funds required to close. For a closer look, click Non-QM AUS Findings to see the most recent findings, including eligibility results, loan summary, and detailed findings. You can also select View Findings History to view all Non-QM findings, including eligibility results, loan summary, and detailed findings. Moving on to results. At the top, you can see the AUS decision indicating whether the loan is approved and eligible based on the submitted scenario. Here you can review the core loan details, including LTV, DTI, loan terms, and property information used in the AUS evaluation. The bottom section outlines the estimated funds required to close, automatically calculated based on the loan scenario. Use this section to review all conditions automatically generated by the Non-QM AUS, including appraisal, assets, credit, and others. Check back as needed. You can rerun Non-QM findings at any time to obtain updated results that reflect any changes made to the loan. To issue a new credit report, select Reissue Credit. To retain the existing report and rerun Non-QM AUS, select Use Existing Credit. AD's Non-QM AUS, your next-gen underwriting.